Many freedom fighters fought for Indian independence. They sacrificed their lives for India. They dream of seeing India as a developed country.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
Every second is a new beginning. But for that second, we should wait for a week or a month or a year. Sometimes it may take more than 60 years. In the initial stage of development, India took the help of many developed countries like America. But taking help is not an issue, but gradually we started depending on them. Many foreign industries have been set up in India in collaboration with Indian industries. After 90s, direct foreign investments stepped in India as a part of our economic reforms. Every country is ready to invest in India as India is one of fast developing countries, which is not only rich in human resources and raw materials, but it does not have any competitor in market yet. We Indians are in the view that we are getting tremendous employment opportunities. But the fact is that maximum people are not working for our own country. For the past 10 years, bunch of IT companies started their branches in India as part of outsourcing. Most of the graduates joined this industry. And finally, Indians are left with only one designation, and that is software engineers. With this, lifestyle of Indians has been highly impacted. Foreign products have become part and participle of our life. Even the regular products like clothes, cosmetics, perfumes, shampoo, etc. have their origin in other countries. Branding has become an important factor. The major competitors in Indian market are not Indian companies. From later half of 2008, economic depression has started in United States of America. This has profound impact on Indian market as we are depending on America. In this 60 years of independence, we started manufacturing industries in early 60s, but later they are meant only for plants. The effect of this depression would have been less if we have concentrated more on manufacturing industries even in 80s and 90s. It's the time for renaissance of manufacturing industries.